that I think that as members have walked to the floor to cast their votes and their voices to demolish the Affordable Care Act, I don't know, is it 65 times, 55 times? I think the American people deserve better than that. In fact, they got a lot better when they became insured as a result of it. And the facts keep rolling in, but our colleagues, sadly, on the other side of the aisle, don't want to accept the facts. So now we have a new boogeyman. We have Planned Parenthood. In my congressional district, David Packard and Bill Hewlett, two of the most respected citizens of our country, Republicans, chaired Planned Parenthood. It shows how far the sad journey that the Republican Party has embarked upon. You are so far away from that model. You don't understand or want to understand that Planned Parenthood takes very good care of people. It's an essential health care provider. We can always debate abortion, and I think it always will be debated. But you know what's really disturbing to me is that in this ban, you who talk so consistently about giving the American people a choice, you're denying hundreds of thousands of women the choice in their insurance policy through Medicaid. You know, women have complicated bodies, and they deserve, I don't care where they live, how much money they have, or how poor they are, they deserve to have these services. They're very different than what most males undergo. And I'm sick and tired of having women's bodies picked apart, not by doctors, but by politicians. So here we are now on another march to folly. The Republicans want to destroy Planned Parenthood. I think this is so wrong-headed. I think it's unfair. I think it's unwarranted. And I think that it's based on a house of cards. Because what brought this subject front and center had fake actors, false addresses, false driver's licenses, and you could go on and on. Now, are people entitled to oppose abortion? Of course they are. We live in a democracy. But for the Congress, for the United States House of Representatives, to take this issue and essentially create an altar to place it on and say, we are going to put all stakes on this. We're even willing to shut down the most important government in the world over Planned Parenthood. I think that mental health services are needed around here. I mean, this is not the right thing for us to be doing. I respect my colleagues that don't agree with me on the issue of abortion. I respect your opinion on that, and even if you don't respect mine. But to go down the path that we're going down, and then to see that hearing on TV last night, this is not going to accrue as a source of pride to anyone that's involved in it. So I couldn't oppose this more. I think it's very sad, I think it's wrong, and I think it's unfair.
Gentlelady's time has expired. I would note that votes have been called on the floor.